Yeah, first of all, if you want to shift to virtual assistants, ang pinaka number one rule ko agad is get to know who you are first as a business. I-build mo muna yung VA business plan mo. And it's something that I provide for free. Kasama yun sa mga free courses and challenges ko na binibigay ko on a monthly basis.
Mm.
Because once you get to know yourself and who you, it's all about getting to know who you are as a business, what you do, what type of problem you solve, and who are you catering to. Pag nakuha mo na yung tatlong to, madali na sa'yo mag mag-dive in sa freelancing eh. Sobrang dali na. Plus, if you have, provided you have all the tools needed, then you're okay. Then you're okay. If we don't have all those yet, kumalma ka muna, te. Kumalma ka muna, no? Mag-aral ka. Madami namang
Mm.
free resources dyan. Kung ayaw mo sa akin, okay lang. Madami nagbibigay pa niyan, no?
Mm.
Madaming free resources dyan. Mag-aral ka, kilalanin mo sarili mo. Mag-ipon ka muna para sa mga equipment mo, sa mga softwares na gagamitin mo. Pag ready ka na, tingin mo, kumuha ka ng part-time job mo. Tayo mo muna. Malay mo, hindi mo pala gusto to. Part-time muna, mga 4 hours a day after your shift. 'Di ba? After nun, sa tingin mo, if this is something that you can do for a full-time thing already, then let go of your full-time job, stick to your part-time job, and while you're sticking to that part-time job, may ipon ka na, hanap ka na ng panibagong part-time job.